So, hello there, and today we are experiencing in Maypearl a big snowstorm. That's weird. It looks like I'm not looking at the camera. Okay, so today we've been experiencing a big snowstorm.
I also don't know what the right thing is.
And it's not as big as Snowmageddon, but I'm hoping it's not working. It's not as big as Snowmageddon. So, I gotta say, this is pretty big for where we are, but could be bigger.
There's no appointment. You can cancel it
Later,
because I don't need that doctor anymore. You cancel it because of the weather.
Wind working back. So, now that I have my clothes on and stuff, I'm gonna show you how it looks out here. It's deep. In fact, here, I'll dig a hole to show you how. I don't know how to make the camera turn around, so here we go. Yeah, I gotta edit this out. Okay, so it turns out the snow's not as deep as I thought. This is how thick it is. Let's see. Yes, it's thick for where I am. Guess where I am? Yes, I am in Texas. And this is comment down below if you live in Colorado. So it's super satisfying when you jump on the trampoline. My sister's starting to sneak up. I can't see the camera. I hope you got that. Oh, gosh darn it! How did that just appear? I just stepped in there and it disappeared. Okay, guys, didn't see me fall, did you? If you did. Water randomly appeared when I stepped on it. Dirty water. You can see. And I took it out, slipped.
That was disgusting.
So yeah, that was so random.
Look, all these
This is like northern Texas in January, but still pretty cold. January in Texas, probably an unexpected weather like this. FYI, comment down below if you live in Maypearl, Texas, because that's exactly where I live. So, let's say, okay, let's go back to 2023. 3 years ago for me, unless you're watching earlier, but that was the year of the storm of 2023, of course. And, well, it was a nightmare. There was a big power outage. You know, stop.
Okay.
I'll take off those goggles and show YouTube on us. There was a big power outage. We didn't have power. And so my parents decided to conserve light. How? They turned off all the lights. So we were just watching cars go by, hoping one of them would just stop, flash the light straight into the window, and we would have the blessing of light. We were super jealous by one of our neighbors because they had electricity. We couldn't use the generator because if we sent out to get it, long story short, the house would be cut in half. And then we have 2020, I think somewhere around that time, Snowmageddon. It was like this, but much worse. So, yeah. Snowmageddon was kind of harsh. I mean, we kept our power going, and we managed to pay our heat bill. Barely, probably. But yeah, this is what we have today. And now my sister is obsessing over this one piece of ice. Don't know if you can see it or not yet, but yeah. So comment down below, like and subscribe. Comment down below if you live in Waco, Texas, or if you live in Texas at all, and if you've seen any worse. Comment down below if you heard of the storm of 2023 or Snowmageddon. Okay. Bye. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Boop.